Kamcha, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. We just checked into our hotel and right now we are going for our breakfast. We'll get our check-in around at 11 o'clock. So till then we have like few hours to spend, and we thought that first we'll have breakfast here only in the hotel. So let's go and have that.
સારી એવી થાય એવી છે
કરીશું
કરીશું ને ફોટોગ્રાફી
કરીશું
બહુ મસ્ત છે
બહુ મસ્ત છે રિસોર્ટ. નામ શું છે રિસોર્ટનું?
નોવેટલ
નોવેટલ. પૂલ બી નાઇસ છે. ગુડ વન. શું થયું? The pool, like so beautiful. We are at their spa place and like it looks so calming, so beautiful. We are just checking out the spa if we can book one for ourselves. 60 minutes, 90 minutes. I guess 60 minutes is enough. Let's see what this guy says. But not today, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We are staying here for 4 to 5 days, so we can come anytime. This property looks so beautiful. We really want to, click so many pictures here and then. Wait, let me show you. Just look at this flower. So pink, so pretty. Just got our room and our room looks so pretty. Let me show you and let me give you a room tour. The entrance, from here you enter and this way you have a lot of storage to store. Okay, I do have a iron and a hanger situation going on over here. I will literally keep all my clothes in a hanger, so it is easy for me, like whenever I want to pick out my clothes. That we have a full length mirror, like a huge mirror where I can see my OOTD every day. And here we have this situation. Maybe we'll have fridge over here. Do we have stuff in it? Nope. And we have bathroom, will go over there later. This is our bed situation going on. This is a queen size bed, maybe with a beautiful painting, and we also have a the glass bathroom type something. We do have a couch and a working table where I will only film my videos, and we do have a balcony with a pretty nature view. And now let's do my most favorite thing. If you are a true subscriber, then you definitely know what I love to do whenever I come to hotel room. Let's do 1, 2, 3. This is so fun. Just jump onto the bed and now let's just sleep for a while because I'm literally so tired. कल रात को मैं बिल्कुल नहीं सोई हूँ. It was like hectic day, so I really want to go. I want to sleep for a while for 2 or 3 hours and then we'll continue with our day. Got ready for the beach. I wore this pretty outfit with this cute beach bag and a little element of this. So yeah, let's just go. I don't know which beach we are going, but we are going somewhere that I know. And yeah, let's go. Everyone told me that we have to come down at 2 o'clock, and at sharp 2 o'clock I am here, but literally nobody is here. I am waiting here since 10 minutes, but yet nobody is here. So I was like कि रोज मुझे 10-15 मिनट लेट ही आना है because सारे लोग लेट करेंगे. So it's like it doesn't make sense to come on time because these people always late. back from the beach to my hotel and it's a clean nice beach. अब मुझे बहुत लाइक मेरे पूरे बॉडी पे इतनी सारी सैंड लग गई है. आई जस्ट वांट टू गो एंड टेक अ लॉन्ग शावर. मैंने अपना सारा शावर सप्लीमेंट्स ले लिया. And now after that we are going to casino. Now casino is again like a first experience for me. I have never been to casino, and my all cousins and everyone, like they live in Australia, USA, they go like regularly and I have never gone. So let's see how that experience goes. I am all ready. I am all dressed up with a lot of heavy jewelry, wearing this earrings and a lot of bracelet. And I'm wearing this black dress, like really simple black dress. From the breakfast, good morning you guys. Yesterday we came back at our hotel around 6 in the morning. So देखो मिडिल क्लास माइंडसेट, ब्रेकफास्ट करने तो जाना ही था. सो बस ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया एंड नाउ आई एम थिंकिंग टू गो बैक इन टू माई नाइट ड्रेस एंड स्लीप अगेन फॉर 2 hours maybe. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's go change and sleep, and then we have something planned. I don't know what, because this time I do not have any itinerary or any plan with me. Sorry, whatever my cousins and family says to do, I do that. So yeah, this time I am literally chilling on the vacation, because usually on the vacation I plan everything, what goes according to the plan, everything should be done. वो सारी मेरी responsibility होती थी, but this time I do not have to be responsible for single thing. So I am literally chilling. I am all ready, all glammed up to go to the cruise. These guys have booked some cruise experience, so we are going for that. And मैंने ये आउटफिट रिपीट किया दुबई वाला, क्योंकि इसमें मेरे बहुत अच्छे फ़ोटोज़ नहीं आए थे. सो आई थॉट दैट आज हम लोग क्रूज़ पे जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे तो डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छे फ़ोटोज़ आएंगे. सो आई वाज लाइक लेट मी जस्ट वेयर दिस एंड या नाउ लेट्स गो डाउन. केम बैक फ्रॉम क्रूज. आई एम टेलिंग यू कि आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ अगर गोवा आ रहे हो, डेफिनेटली बुक क्रूज एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज इतना मज़ा आया. आई एम टेलिंग यू, सब लोगों ने इतना मज़ा किया है. माई ऑल दीदी, देयर किड्स, लाइक मम्मी, मासी, एवरी वन जस्ट लव्ड इट. इतना डांस किया है हम लोगों ने, इतनी मस्त मज़े से ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं, ज़ोर ज़ोर से सॉन्ग्स गाए, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आई. अभी का प्लान ये है कि हम थोड़ी देर के लिए पुल में जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज 9 बजे पुल क्लोज़ होगा. सो इससे पहले एक डेढ़ घंटा हम पुल में जाके आते हैं. एंड देन दिस पीपल आर गोइंग टू casino and I don't want to go to. Yesterday I went and I didn't like the vibe. I didn't like, everything over there. So pool ready. I am just wearing this basic tee and cycling shorts, and I do have my clothes in it in case अगर नीचे अच्छा वॉशरूम होगा तो मैं वहीं पे शावर ले लूँगी. And yeah, let's go for pool. A change in plan. These people are also not going to casino because casino is almost full. They are not getting tickets, and we are now going to eat something outside, and I am wearing this very basics outfit. Came back from dinner and something very bad happened. मैं गिर गई चलते चलते. Like it's a very silly thing I did, but मैं like पता नहीं कैसे but चलते चलते गिर गई. एंड मेरे पैर में बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब बुरी तरीके से मोच आई है. आई एम जस्ट डूइंग द आइस क्यूब थिंग, एंड सो आई एम जस्ट रबिंग द आइस ओवर देयर टू जस्ट थोड़ा सा, तो वो क्या बोलते हैं, सूजन आ गई है पैरों में. मैंने रिले स्प्रे भी मंगवाया है नीचे से. वाई ऑलवेज दिस थिंग्स हैपन्स ऑन अ ट्रिप. Now next day I was sitting at the hotel and I saw that the prettiest Christmas decor, बहुत pretty Christmas decor था. Then it was a quick stop to Starbucks. We grabbed some coffee and then we went for a beach. Now this day I was in so much of pain because of my leg twisting thing. सो मैं बस बैठी रही बीच में एंड देन नाइट में सारे लोग अगेन कसिनो चले गए एंड देन आई वॉज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ ऑल द किड्स एंड वी वॉच सम मूवीज़. हॉरर मूवी देख रहे थे एंड लाइक मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था और ये सब किसी को नहीं लग रहा था. एंड देन आई हैव टू गो डाउन टू टेक माई रूम की बिकॉज मैंने गलती से घुमा दी थी. सो मुझे इतना डर लग रहा था ना रात को एंड समथिंग बैड साउंड्स वर कमिंग. सो आई वाज लाइक बहुत डर लगा. जल्दी जल्दी मैं बस रूम में जा रही थी. गाइस इट्स अ नेक्स्ट डे ऑलमोस्ट आफ्टरनून. ऑलमोस्ट नहीं आफ्टरनून ही है बिकॉज इट्स 3 PM राइट नाउ. एंड यस्टरडे आई टुक केयर ऑफ ऑल द किड्स. लाइक एवरीवन वेंट टू कैसीनो एंड आई डिडंट. सो मैंने सारे बच्चों का ध्यान रखा है यहाँ पे होटल में रह के. And then these people came around 7 o'clock and then we all went for breakfast. और रात को ना हम बच्चों ने मैकडी मंगवाया, हॉरर मूवीज़. एंड आई एम समवन जिसको बहुत डर लगता है यार. नहीं मैं नहीं देख सकती हॉरर मूवीज़ और वो भी ऐसे होटल में अकेले. मैं अकेली बड़ी हूँ यहाँ पे और सारे मुझसे छोटे हैं. एंड आई वॉज लाइक आई कांट डू दिस बट माई like little you can say my sisters, they were like no you can watch didi ama kuch na hoy, this is like nothing. So I was like okay if you guys are saying then let's watch. And then we watch horror movies. We spent so much like good time together and so हम सब पूरी रात जगे बस ऐसे मूवीज़ देख रहे थे ये वो. एंड देन ब्रेकफास्ट करके हम सब सो गए. एंड राइट नाउ वी आर अप. आई एम रेडी एंड मैंने ये कल का ही वापस पहन लिया बिकॉज इसमें फ़ोटोज़ नहीं आए थे. दिस पीपल वेंट लाइक माई ब्रदर ऑल द कजिन्स वेंट फॉर यू नो सम फॉट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. बट मुझे पैर में चोट लगी है सो आई कांट वॉक मच. तो मेरा फॉट में वहाँ पे जाके कोई मतलब नहीं था. तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि रहने दो मुझे नहीं जाना है. सो आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग in the hotel and now I'm thinking that let's watch Mismatch on Netflix because आज ही 13th of December so आज ही आया है. So I really want to watch that. Just got Instamart. I got few stuff and now let's make Maggie. I'm making Maggie. I just want to eat something so I was like what's better than Maggie. And yeah, hi, can I just get one bowl, one plate and spoon and fork in room number 141. Yeah, thank you. कटलरी मंगवा दी गई है एंड नाउ लेट्स मेक मैगी. पर नेटफ्लिक्स का सेटिंग नहीं हो रहा है यार. मैंने 2 बार पेमेंट करने का ट्राई किया बट वो फेल ही हो रहा है. सो आई डोंट नो नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू. आई माइट वॉच समथिंग ऑन Amazon Prime because I do have Amazon. So yeah, let's make Maggie in kettle. Maybe I'm making Maggie in the kettle for the very first time. I have never made. I'm adding 2 taste maker in 1 Maggie, of course. Why not? I also got the cutleries and just use this spoon to mix everything. ये अच्छी से बन रही है तो गैस जैसी ही बनती है. So how my Maggie looks like. This is the setup. I will keep my phone over here and I will just enjoy. Maggie में टेस्ट कुछ करना होता नहीं है but still let's do it. I really wanted to eat something hot like some comfort food. So what's better than this? Tastes good. और वैसे भी जब भूख लगती है ना तब ऐसी सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगती है. This way. 141.
Please proceed to the stairways and exit the building. Do not use the elevators. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
So there was a siren that fire detected on your floor. You have to go out. And I was like, dude, this is crazy. एंड मैंने जल्दी जल्दी में ये की, बस वहाँ पे थी तो मैं छोड़ के आ गई सीधी बाहर भागी. आई टुक माई ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड माई मनी एंड आई जस्ट रैन आउट. For the very first time this thing has happened, and then when I went down, these people told me this is a mock drill, like they are just checking it. Oh, सुबह लेटर आया था बट मैंने चेक नहीं किया वो लेटर. So you should always read the information these people give. Today is our last day. Today we are checking out. I just packed my bag. We are checking out with a broken heart. I just don't want to go. I just want to stay over here because ये trip पे मैंने सिर्फ relax किया because I broke my leg. So मैंने बस relax किया है ये trip पे. This was actually the trip that you guys need in end of the year, and now I will go home. I will plan for good things about starting new year. So this is a recharge trip for me. I will just party on this trip. मैंने इतने सारे party outfit लेके आई थी, but I broke my leg and I just stayed back in hotel and just went here and there. It's time to check out. Let me just fix my face situation and let's do this because ये बंद होना is like really tough this time. बंद होता है या नहीं? I hope कि ये हो जाए. I don't think so ये बंद होने वाला है. Oh, finally done.